Today I'm going to be talking to you about some of the basics about data management.
In this video, we uniquely explain how the degrees of freedom are related across parametric testing.
For this project, our research questions were interested in looking at when do people use bike sharing services in terms of what time of day did they use them, what time of year did they use them, and we were also interested in the spatial aspects of it. So where do people pick up bikes from, where do they drop them off, how far do they typically take them on a journey, and how long are those journeys?
Everybody, both as a because that's part of our decennial census's mandate, but also because all of our surveys, we have, I think, an ethical responsibility to make sure that we genuinely reflect the entire population.
This video is about cross-national online surveys. The presentation will highlight a case study in which I researched intra-Caribbean migration among 15 Caribbean countries using online surveys.
So why do you have to clean your data? Data cleaning is essential if you want to produce results that are reliable and valid. It does take a bit of time, but it will make the analysis process so much easier.
So in this session, what I'm going to focus on is some starting points for you to consider if you're embarking on either a quantitative or a mixed method study in education.
My work is at the intersection of design, emotion, and culture. Design can be broadly defined, and in my work, I study the collaborative, creative problem-solving process of designers with engineering and science backgrounds.